Hello, everyone. From California, I'm John.
My name is Emma, and I'm from New York. Hello, everyone.
Today, we're discussing something really exciting, how to shop at a flea market or night market and receive a discount.
Indeed. Negotiating. It resembles a small game, and you can make financial savings. John, are you ready?
Completely prepared. Let's say we recently returned from the weekend market.
John, what occurred to me on Sunday will astound you.
What? Tell me, please.
All right. I noticed this adorable lamp, that vibrant one with the glass balls, It was really lovely. The man said 45 bucks.
45? For a market lamp, that is rather pricey.
Exactly. So I carried out the action. I began haggling.
Well done. What was the first thing you said?
Wow, it's beautiful, I exclaimed with a broad smile. However, I think 45 is a bit high. Are you able to perform better?
Traditional. What was the seller's response?
Okay, for you, 40, he answered with a giggle.
Just $5 off? Hurry up.
I understand, correct? I looked dejected, touched the lamp, and murmured, I barely have $30 with me today, but I really like it. Pretend to look in the wallet.
The old, I only have this much technique. Ha! I adore it. Was it successful?
Indeed. Okay, 32, final price, he remarked after glancing at me and the lamp. Deal, I said. I was able to save $13.
$13? That is equivalent to a complimentary lunch. You are an expert negotiator.
Queen Emma, it's your turn now. You consistently receive incredibly good discounts. Tell me your secret.
Okay, so I wanted this leather bracelet at the night market last month. The woman said $25.
A bracelet for $25? Whoa.
Indeed. It's really nice. Do you have another color? I said. Brown, she showed me. Oh, I prefer the black one more, but 25 is a bit pricey. What is your most competitive pricing?
Astute. You get them to do some work.
Precisely. 20, she said. If you can do 15, I'll take two, one for myself and one for my sister, I remarked with a smile.
Big eyes. 2 for 15 each?
Not at all. All right, two for $28, she said. 14 each then. In total, I saved $22.
Whoa, purchasing 2 is a brilliant move.
It's true that vendors appreciate it when you make larger purchases. Another ploy is that they will typically call you back with a reduced price if you leave slowly.
Okay, thank you anyway, she says, feigning to leave.
Hold on, return. Okay, $30?
It always works. But I can be shy at times. Like, is it impolite to haggle?
Not in marketplaces. It's typical. It's fun. The vendors expect it. Just be kind and smile all the time.
You should never be upset. Happy haggling equals a better deal.
Precisely. So, everyone watching, give it a try the next time you see something you enjoy. Start a little lower, be amiable, and smile, and enjoy doing it.
After that, you might have enough money saved for ice cream. Chocolate, pretending to eat ice cream.
You see? Haggling pays for dessert.
Looking at the camera, tell us in the comments what the best deal you've ever gotten.
Remember to like and subscribe for weekly updates on more authentic English discussions.
I'll see you later.
Goodbye, everyone.